How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set up your SayoDevice for Geometry Dash. So the first thing that you want to do is to just connect your Geometry Dash, obviously, to your device right here or to your computer. And then right after, you want to search for SayoDevice on your web browser. Head over to the SayoDevice.com configuration tool for SayoDevices. So just click on it. Click Add Device, and you want to click the SayoDevice that you have plugged onto your device, and it will simply look something like this. Now, the first thing that we want to actually edit is to, of course, set our keybinds. So in here, I'm going to click on my first key right here, and the thing that you have to select is for the key mode to be at keyboard. So you will be able to spot this setting right here at the top right corner of your screen, which is going to be somewhere right here. And then right after, you want to head over to the analog key. Basically, you just want to set these parameters right here. For the press depth, you want to set your stroke at 4 millimeters. For the release, 0.050 millimeters. Same thing with trigger. RT release, you want to make sure that it is enabled. And for the full stroke, you want to set it to 0.050. And the lower bound is going to be 3.000. From there, you want to go ahead and click on the device option, which is going to be this one. And then you just want to make sure that you have set the speed all the way to the left, which is going to be at the spot right here. And basically right after, that's going to be the best setting. Basically, most people agree that this setting works best for their Geometry Dash. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.